Looking for profitable products to sell on Amazon in 2025? Here are 5 trending items that are in demand, easy to start with, and, best of all, still have low competition. Let's jump in. Product number 1, reusable silicone food bags. These eco-friendly storage bags are gaining popularity thanks to the sustainability trend. They're lightweight, easy to brand, and perfect for private labeling. Plus, they appeal to eco-conscious moms, meal preppers, and students. Product number 2, portable neck fans. These went viral last summer, and demand is expected to rise again. They're useful for travel, outdoor work, and even gaming. Most listings still use low-quality images, so with better branding and content, you can stand out. Product number 3, adjustable phone stand, desk. Perfect for students, remote workers, and content creators. You can bundle it with a webcam cover, ring light, or stylus for extra value. Searches are growing, and there's still space to dominate this niche. Product number 4, undated gratitude journals. Mental health and journaling are evergreen trends. With print on demand or KDP, you can publish your own designs. These journals connect emotionally with buyers, and don't require inventory. Product number 5, cable management boxes. Perfect for offices, gaming setups, and home studios. They're cheap to source and ship, and many listings still look outdated. Create better photos and videos, especially with influencer UGC, and you'll sell more. Which of these 5 products would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical Amazon and e-commerce ideas, hit subscribe and follow 808 Tech Daily. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.